Hello everyone, welcome back to another tool review video on the channel. Tried to film this yesterday, but it didn't work, but here we are again. So these here are all my Bosch spade bits here. Let me get them all out for you all. So these here are all Bosches. We got your 20 there, you've got your 28 there, got your 16 there, you got your 25 there, got your 18 there, you've got your 32 there, you've got your 22 there, and you've got your 12 there as well. Now these are just random ones that have just been put in here. So you have got 25 one, 25 one, you've got another 32 one, you've got a 22 one, and you've got another 22 one. So yeah, the boss that overall is very good. I mean, these other spade bits are really good as well. But if you're ever gonna get a spade drill bit set, definitely a Bosch one. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I'll catch you on another video. Ta-ra, bye.